little chilly out here this morning, this afternoon. Maybe a light jacket at most. It's going to be pretty nice once again. 50s return. Notice a few more clouds decorating the sky across Oklahoma on our Lucky Star Skycam network today compared to yesterday, but mainly that high thin variety cloud. So point proven, over downtown you can still see the glowing ball of sunlight breaking through some of those clouds. So it's not an overcast day per se, but some clouds up there. We will have thickening clouds as we go over the next 24 to 48 hours as the next system gets closer and closer and closer. Those white lines you see starting to streak up in California, that's that system really starting to get its act together and will continue to do so as it drifts to the southwest, eventually comes into our neck of the woods slowly over the next few days as it's detached from the jet stream. So that's going to make it a slow roller. But as early as tomorrow midday or just a little bit before that, western Oklahoma, showers possible. Best chance for rain through tomorrow afternoon and evening will be in the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles, but western Oklahoma sees the chances first. Can't rule out a stray shower trying to drift into the metro, but overall rain chances for the metro stay pretty low both tomorrow and on Thursday. By the day going on Thursday, we'll see a little bit of a transition zone out at the panhandle. Temperatures getting cold enough for some snow out there. Most of this system does not get cold enough for snow. Most of this is just going to be all rain, but in the panhandle and far northwestern Oklahoma, snow will be a possibility through Friday, and then eventually this system will swing its way farther into the metro, give us better rain chances, but it could very well drop our rain chances a little bit. This system decides to track just a little bit farther south, or if it comes north, I mean, look what North Texas is getting. If it comes north, our rain chances will increase on Friday. But Friday looks like the day for us in central Oklahoma to get rain, with tomorrow and Thursday mainly being out in western Oklahoma. Eastern Oklahoma will see the rain exit by Saturday morning. We'll dry things out for the weekend ahead, which will be fun to enjoy. Chickasha quiet on our Lucky Star Skycam network. Some cars moving out there, 35 degrees. 31 is the wind chill. Most of us aren't experiencing much of a wind chill in that 31 wind chill, 35 air temp in Oklahoma City. That came in about an hour ago. Looking at the rest of the metro, things have improved a lot. 48 and more Norman, 49 Midwest City. Still some 30s up to the northwest, but the freezing line is basically gone now. You can see it all the way out in Cimarron County in the Panhandle. It is zipping out of the state because temperatures are going up as winds out of the southeast are helping us warm up a little bit and a little bit. 59 this afternoon, Oklahoma City, 58 Stillwater, some mid to low 50s possible to the north, but most of us in the upper 50s to even 60 degrees across southern Oklahoma. So a really nice day ahead with some of those clouds still floating over our heads. Overnight, pretty mild, honestly, for this time of year. Think about it, low 40s for the beginning of our Wednesday. That's because the clouds increase, going to keep us a little bit more mild. A little less cloudy out in eastern Oklahoma, so a little bit chillier for that part of the state. But central and western Oklahoma, where it's cloudier, we're also looking at the chance for rain starting to enter the state. Mainly in western Oklahoma overnight through tomorrow morning. Stray shower into Canadian County possible, but likelihood for rain over the next 24 hours mainly stays out west, even through tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures staying in the mid-50s, central Oklahoma, some 40s out to the west and northwest. A little bit cooler with that cold rain in far western Oklahoma. Greatest chances still out in the panhandle through tomorrow afternoon. 10% chance in Oklahoma City, maybe a little bit of drizzle, maybe a sprinkle, not much. 54 Thursday afternoon, much of the same with some 40s out to the west, but you notice the panhandle gets colder. We're going to see that snow to mix line kind of inch its way a little bit farther to the east on Thursday as this system inches its way to the east, taking over more of western Oklahoma, increasing slightly our chance for a stray shower in the metro, but the best chance for rain for us comes in on Friday as this system kicks into gear and starts to swing farther to the east, but temperatures staying warm enough on the back side of it. Maybe a rain to no mix in the northwest, but most of us just staying on the rain side of things as opposed to any winter weather with this system. And then it exits Saturday morning. Should make for a nice Saturday afternoon. Sunday afternoon looking pretty good on the 9-day as well. Best rain totals in western Oklahoma and the Panhandle, 1 to 2 inches possible. Here across central Oklahoma, let's call it up to half an inch to maybe an inch in parts of the west metro. And snow totals Thursday through early on Friday. That's the Panhandle that wins it. Potential for 2 to 4 inches and maybe just a dusting or a trace in far northwestern Oklahoma. So not a big snow maker, not a big cold maker, but it is going to give us, at least parts of the state, some of that rain that we need before we return to the 50s for the week before Thanksgiving. That's all I got, guys. I'll send it back to you.